Ohlins, this is for you. All for you, because you deserve it. Wow. Just the damn boxes are nice. Shit. I don't even know if I want to put these in. For the gram. Ah. Stickies. Always love when products come with stickers. Congratulations on your new Ohlins Road and Track Kit. Sweet! Little stick-on badges you can stick in your car or desk. Now to the good stuff. Owner's manual with all your little bolts. Dust boots. Got 4. New pillow. Sleep on at night. Got your wrenches. Jeez. There she is. He's gotta be the springs and probably top hats. Damn. Some heavy duty stuff, man. The springs. Yes, the springs. Very nice. Wow. Soon, baby. Soon. I know you're waiting. It's right there. I know you're waiting. It's right there. Fender gap. Yep. Gotta get rid of that. First unboxing video. Well, I don't even want to install these. I just want to hang them up on my wall and make them look cool. I think I might just buy another set just to hang on the wall. Just kidding, just kidding. But that's cool. It comes with like a sticker pack. Comes with this little thank you card with these little different Ohlins badges. I think that's really cool. That's awesome. Their little little sticker badges. You can stick on your car, wall, or whatever. Damn, this is cool. They give you 6. What the heck? Guess they want you to share. I ain't sharing. Just kidding. Damn. Shout out Evasive Motorsports for all their help and knowledge and give me a pretty good deal. Man, I would highly suggest these. I haven't even put them on, but I'm telling you, I highly suggest these just by the build quality. I know they're going to be good. Damn, these things are sexy. Alright, well, I'll probably do another video later with the install, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thanks for watching. Alright, peace.